Welcome to Code and Beyond, a podcast brought to you by Bola Ogunlana. Today, we're going to be diving into something that, might seem a little daunting at first. Moving your crypto assets between different blockchains.
Okay.
Yeah, you're already familiar with Web3 wallets.
Right.
So you're off to a great start.
Mm-hmm.
But think of it like this. You've got your crypto sitting comfortably on one blockchain, say Arbitrum,
Mm-hmm.
and you want to use it on a completely different platform, like Radium, which lives on the Solana blockchain.
Right.
That's where this bridging magic comes in.
Yeah.
So I've got some instructions here on how to actually move some USDC over to Solana and then use it to snag some RAY, which is Radium's token.
Nice.
But we're not just going to blindly follow steps.
Sure.
We want to understand the why behind each move.
Absolutely.
And if you're looking to dive even deeper into the world of Web3, you can always visit bola.ogunlana.me.
What's really fascinating to me here is how these different blockchains are like separate digital islands, each with its own unique features and communities. And these bridges are like building these incredible connections between them.
So the instructions are saying our first step is to connect our Arbitrum wallet, something like MetaMask, to a cross-chain bridge.
Right.
Wormhole's one that pops up a lot.
Yeah.
But before we even type in the name, what are some of the security things that we should be thinking about?
Absolutely. That's the number one priority with anything in crypto.
Huh?
You always want to make sure you're on the official website of the bridge you are using. Scammers are constantly out there trying to trick people. So double check that URL. Look for the little padlock icon in your browser address bar too. That indicates a secure connection.
So many ways to stay safe. Okay, URL confirmed we're on the official site. Now the instructions say we're moving USDC. I know that's a stablecoin, but why would we choose that specifically for this transfer?
That's a great question. USDC is pegged to the US dollar, so it's designed to hold its value relatively steadily. Unlike some of the more volatile cryptocurrencies out there, that makes it a good choice for transfers, especially if you're newer to this.
Makes sense. Now we're sending it to our Solana wallet,
Yeah.
which would be something like Phantom.
Right.
But before we click send, this is where a lot of people make a critical mistake.
Oh, yeah.
They rush through entering that destination wallet address.
You're absolutely right that Solana wallet address needs to be triple checked. Blockchain transactions are irreversible. If you send those funds to the wrong address, they're gone.
Heart attack averted address, confirmed amount entered. Now what about those fees?
Ah, yes, the fees. You might be wondering why there's a fee. Well, these bridges rely on a network of computers called nodes to keep everything running securely, and the fees help reward those node operators for their work. They're the ones validating transactions and adding them to the blockchain.
Okay. I'm seeing the fee. I'm reviewing everything one last time, and I'm hitting approve. Now, is this going to be like sending an email where it arrives instantly?
Not quite. It can take a few minutes. The bridge is locking your USDC on Arbitrum and essentially creating a brand new identical set of USDC tokens on the Solana blockchain. It's kind of like a digital twin of your original tokens. And that process takes a bit of time.
Interesting. So assuming everything went smoothly, our USDC has now landed on Solana, safe and sound in our Phantom wallet.
Awesome.
Now we can finally connect to Radium, which is where we can buy RAY, right?
Exactly. Radium is a popular decentralized exchange, or DX. On the Solana blockchain, think about traditional stock exchanges. You've got brokers and clearinghouses involved. DEXs, like Radium, are different. They let you trade directly with other users, peer-to-peer, without all those intermediaries.
So we're cutting out the middleman.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm connected to Radium. I'm seeing the interface where I can swap my USDC for RAY. What are some things that I should watch out for here?
A couple things. First, there's something called slippage. That's basically the difference between the expected price and the actual price you get when you make the trade. It can happen due to market volatility. So pay attention to the slippage tolerance setting, which lets you control how much price difference you're willing to accept.
Okay.
Second, like any exchange, there are fees. Radium is known for its low fees, but always review those before confirming your trade.
Okay. Slippage tolerance checked, fees noted, and I'm hitting swap. All right. The trade just went through. I'm seeing the RAY tokens in my wallet.
Yeah.
Now what's the best way to keep these safe?
Your Phantom wallet is a good start. Think of it as your digital vault. But for anyone holding larger amounts of crypto, a hardware wallet offers an extra layer of security. It keeps your private keys offline and away from potential hackers.
So we journeyed from Arbitrum to Solana, swapped USDC for RAY, and learned a bunch about cross-chain bridges, decentralized exchanges, and the importance of security.
It's a lot.
Right.
Yeah.
What stands out to you the most from all this?
I think what's most powerful here is that understanding the why behind each step empowers you to navigate the world of decentralized finance with confidence.
Totally. And here's a thought to ponder. What other exciting projects exist on blockchains besides Ethereum?
Ooh.
There's a whole universe of innovation out there, and cross-chain bridges are your ticket to explore it.
Yeah.
And if you're looking to dive deeper, you can always visit bola.ogunlana.me.
Keep that explorer spirit alive. There's so much to discover.
Thanks for listening to Bola Ogunlana's podcast.